President of NETBALL Jamaica, Dr. PAULA DALEY-MORRIS, says resource restrictions and not being able to finish off preparations are a drawback for the Sunshine Girls team heading into tournaments. She made the disclosure on Tuesday when the Sunshine Girls returned to the island from Australia, where they secured silver at the Fast 5 World Series.
President of NETBALL Jamaica, Dr. PAULA DALEY-MORRIS, says the Sunshine Girls must be credited for their hard work in taking silver at the Fast 5 tournament, especially after getting it done with limited resources. The Sunshine Girls lost a thriller 34-33 to New Zealand, who secured their 7th lean on the trophy.
It comes down to resources and being able to finish off the preparation. We really don't have good resources working with, so we're doing extremely well considering. We have a promise of an improved gym, and if we get that, that should help, and of course to be able to do more pool work, that would also help. So I think we have done really well, Jamaica, based on where we are and what we are using to prepare. So I'm not complaining, and I think the girls are appreciative of the support that we've gotten from the government and our sponsors in general. So I think we all should be proud. We did well, Jamaica. Let's not complain.
Coach MARVETTE says there were improvements in the team at the tournament, and going forward, they can only get better.
All in all, it was a good tournament. Coming second at any tournament is excellent. So basically for us, coming second was good enough for us. This time around, we lost the finals by 1, so that in itself is improvement. The last time we lost by 5, so losing by 1 this time I think, is improvement.
Assistant coach Winston credits the girls' competitiveness and fitness level to play in the 2 series against Trinidad and England prior to leaving for Australia.
To beat New Zealand in the round, and then New Zealand, you could see that we was doing something well, and almost all of the teams was equally matched, and so Ms. Anderson says it was a good tournament. I am saying the same thing.
Captain VANGELEE says the team was better in this year's edition when compared to last year's.
This year we were more better throughout the rounds than we was last year, even though we won all rounds last year, but like technically in the power play and so forth we were better.
The Sunshine Girls have 3 silver and 2 bronze medals from the tournament, which was called Fast Net from its inception until 2012, when it was changed to Fast 5.